Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are testing out the new Revlon Skin Lights highlighter. This highlighter has been all over TikTok. I'm sure you guys have seen it too. Everyone on TikTok has been saying that this is the dupe for the famous, the classic Amrezy highlighter, the ABH highlighter. And we all love this highlighter. It's no longer on sale anymore. They don't sell it because it was limited edition, but ABH likes to tease us sometimes and they bring it back sometimes, but lately it hasn't been out anymore. So this one is said to be the dupe. So today I'm going to put it to the test. I'm going to compare both of them and show you guys if it really is the dupe. So if you guys are interested, please keep on watching. But before we get into the video, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, turn your post notifications on, follow me on TikTok, follow me on Instagram, and let's get into the video. So this is the Revlon Skin Lights. It's in the shade Daybreak Glimmer. This was the only one left. I went to a few shoppers and they didn't have it, but this was the last one at the shoppers that I went to. And just by looking at it through the packaging, you can see that the way that the highlighter is, it is very similar to the Amrezy one, just the foil on the top, and it's a prismatic highlighter just like Amrezy. So maybe it's similar. So let's open this up. As soon as I got it, I wanted to try it on, but I was like, no, I have to film my genuine reaction, so I have to wait. So it's still sealed up. If I could even get this open, like it's so hard to open, and especially now with nails, these are press-on nails, believe it or not, they're press-ons. They're not even like real fake nails, and that's why it makes it so much harder to do anything, because I feel like any second they're about to pop off. Okay, got it open. So this is what it looks like, and you can see that the way it looks, like the texture, the foil, the finishing of it is just like the Amrezy one. Let me show you the Amrezy one. So this is what they look like. Very similar finish. They're both like prismatic highlighters. They're beautiful foils. So very, very similar. We might be onto something. So it's a beautiful color. It's like a champagne color, just like the Amrezy one. The Amrezy one is like a champagne gold, I would say. Same with this one. Something tells me that this one might be a little bit more gold, but I'm gonna have to see it on. On here it says it's a silky soft texture with crystal-like pigments for a flattering, pure glow without the glitter. And Amrezy also doesn't have glitter. It's just like a wet foil. So that's good. And it says it's non-cakey. So we do love non-cakey things. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to put the Revlon one on this side, and then I'm going to put the Amrezy one on this side. And I'm going to be cleaning my brush throughout so that there's no leftover pigment between each use, because I want to give you the genuine reaction here. So first I want to swatch it for you guys. This one is the Revlon. Beautiful. Wow. And this one on my second finger is the ABH one. Wow, they look so similar. Look at that. So this one right here is Amrezy. This one right here is Revlon. So that's what they look like. Very, very similar. Wow. Same finish, very wet looking, no shimmer in them. They just look like a wet foil. So very, very beautiful, really similar. Now let's try it on. So I'm going to start off with the Amrezy one. I'm going to put Amrezy right here. Amrezy is a classic. It's a staple. And I wish ABH would make this permanent, but for some reason they didn't. It sucks. I really wish, because I feel like everybody likes this. As you guys know, I did used to work for ABH. Side note, I didn't even update you guys. I'm actually now working for MAC, so that's exciting. But I used to work for Anastasia Beverly Hills, and I remember anytime Amrezy launched, it was nuts. Everybody loved it. It would sell out like this. Like instantly it was sold out. And it was just crazy. And people would always come in asking for Amrezy. So I really wish they would make this permanent, because everybody loves it. And I feel like it suits everybody. So now let's try the Revlon one. So I'm going to clean my brush because I don't want any leftover pigment from the Amrezy one. We need this to be as genuine as possible. Okay, now that that's clean, I'm going to now go in with the Revlon one. Wow, blinding. Wow, guys. I like to soak myself in highlighter, so don't mind me as I like douse myself in it. I love highlighter. Guys, look at that. It looks very, very similar. I'm not really noticing a difference. Guys, are we onto something here? Look at that. If this doesn't scream Amrezy dupe, I don't know what does, because this is the closest thing I've ever seen to Amrezy. Like, this is so crazy. So this is Amrezy. This is Revlon. They look identical. They're both like the same color tone, same finish, no shimmer. They just look like a wet, glossy look. So glossy, so pretty. Wow. I'm gonna add a little bit more of the Revlon one onto my nose because you guys know I love myself a nose highlight. A little bit above my lip. Wow, guys. This is really the dupe. I really, really like this. So in my opinion, I definitely feel like it's true that the Revlon Skin Lights is an official dupe to the Amrezy. The formula feels the exact same. Feels the exact same. It's wearing the exact same. Wow. Wow, I am shocked. I never thought that there would be a dupe to the Amrezy highlighter, and especially since it's limited edition, now there is a dupe. Like, this is officially a dupe. I totally approve. I think that this is identical, like identical. You can't even tell the difference. So definitely check this out. This is the Revlon Skin Lights in the shade 201 Daybreak Glimmer. So definitely check this out. You can get this at any of your drugstores, and wow. This highlighter is as bright as my cup, like, matches. Side note, guys, this liquid lipstick is a drugstore liquid lipstick, Quo. It has been on my lips for hours and it has not came off. I haven't even reapplied. I literally put this on a few hours ago. I went to physio and I do jaw physio in my mouth. So they were like all up in my mouth. My lipstick still stayed on. I ate a chicken wrap. I'm back here and it still looks like I just put it on. So this, 10 bucks and it stays on. So definitely check this out too. It's a good find. That is the end of my video. We have officially found the Amrezy dupe and it's half the price. So I'm really happy about that. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please comment down below. Let me know what you guys want to see next. And please, please don't forget to subscribe to the channel, give the video a like, add me on Instagram, add me on TikTok, add me everywhere so we can talk. Anytime people message me on Instagram for my YouTube channel, it really warms my heart and I'm always down to talk to you guys. So please add me on there. We will have a little chat and I will see you in my next video. Bye guys.